Life Hacks Beyond Convention with Dee and Sonia.
Become self-conscious, don't we?
Yeah,
For
yeah,
some reason, because that's even at Christmas. Like one of my daughters and I, we'll always wear the headband and a
yeah,
costume, different things usually, because it just adds to the fun. And people who come
yeah,
out always have so much fun. It's just like, oh, that's so much fun when we do it with you, but they don't want to actually do it themselves.
yeah, yeah.
Which might,
So,
and I find that with all sorts of events, like,
yeah,
if you, like, everybody absolutely loves that you've done it, but they
they
might
won't, they're too
be,
embarrassed.
too self-conscious to
Mm,
just let their hair down.
yeah. So that's that presenting to others sort of issue. Yeah,
What it is, and I don't know why, I just think, well, this is just fun, let's just have fun. It's like,
yeah.
nothing serious about this. It's not
Mm,
it's not like I get dressed up in a costume to live my everyday life. It's just like, let's just,
no,
because it's funny and it's fun.
yeah. We had a whole heap of fancy dress type, social events in a friend group some years ago, and we used to go to some church dues. The Anglican church here used to have a dinner each year, and we'd dress up for those. And Tony was nervous to start with, but
Mm.
after the first year, yeah, we did. There was a Hawaiian or surfing one, and he and one of the other guys ended up on cardboard surfboards. I've got photos of them with grass skirts and the what are they called? Coconut bras and stuff on. And then another time he went as we cut up a brown blanket to make a monk's outfit for
Yep.
him. It, and we used to do this years ago too. If you were going to an event like that, a private event like that, you had to go to a pub first, dressed
You're
up.
picking yourself up a bit.
So I remember a group of us that worked together went to a pub in Adelaide, all dressed in school uniform. And St. Trinian's it was, so your skirt
Yep.
was hitched up with elastic and you had your hair teased and,
Yep.
your chewing gum, Kylie, whatever her name. Yeah. And so we went to the local pub like it. And a couple of the farmers were absolutely horrified. And he said, oh, God, what are you doing dressed up like that? And
Yep.
Tony had this big wooden cross on. He went, shoved the wooden cross at them. It was so funny. And then we went off to the party. That's what you
Yep.
do. So you
Yeah.
provide a bit of entertainment. So
Yeah. Absolutely.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then they did a black and white party as well. And I found some plain masks and I painted them black and white. So
Yeah.
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 So it should
Yeah.
be a good day.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mm,
It'll be fun.
yeah.
I know. Yeah. Some personalities are just more geared for just wanting to have fun and not worrying about, I don't know, what that costume presentation is. I wonder if some people feel like it's that if I dress up in this, you'll think that that's who I am.
Yeah. And
Something.
yet
I'm not sure.
they don't think we are that when
Maybe
they
they,
see us.
maybe they do. I often get comments and I'm a bit weird, I'm a bit
Oh,
strange.
okay.
I often do want to think
Yeah, so do I. Yeah, okay, so we're weird. Well, somebody's got to entertain you because
we could laugh.
I went over to see Lynn and I was so disappointed that she'll actually be in Adelaide, and she is too, because
Yeah,
she's got a wardrobe full of dress ups. So,
yeah,
and our lunches once every so often we do something, we'll just rock up where we're going in stuff. So, and there were about three others that couldn't make it, and I'm like, oh, my friends, they're all going to be away.
what a shame. And they'll be disappointed too.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes,
So,
yeah.
oh dear.
Have you ever heard of the Red Hat Society?
Oh, are they the ones that wear red hats and
Yeah,
purple?
yeah, that
Yes,
was just what I was, because how did my thoughts go there? It was just like we're talking about wearing,
costumes.
dressing up, and they wear red hats to their events, I think. Yeah.
Yeah, red hats and often purple clothes, I think. Mm.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I didn't even know that that existed until a few years ago. Somebody that I knew had passed away, and they
Mm,
mentioned it, this Red Hat
mm,
Society at the
mm.
funeral service, and
Yeah,
it's like, what's
yeah.
this Red Hat Society? So I still don't really know what it is, but
I think it's just a social
funny.
gathering for fun.
Yeah.
Mm. And it's all older women by the looks of it. Yeah.